Police Department is looking for a child who was last seen at 3875 South 66th Street in Tacoma, and he is believed to be in danger. Javon Green is an 8-year-old black child. He is believed to be 4 feet tall, weighing 70 pounds, and was last seen wearing a black and blue jacket.
Turn on the light.
If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 253-798-4721 or 911 immediately. Mid-30s to lower 40s.
Wow, that was sudden. I mean, I had very limited warning on that. All thanks to Black Star, gave me about a minute warning, so I got my camera set up. That's my second child abduction emergency in a week's time. So, see if we can get TV and radio again. So, see you guys.